In TensorFlow, what is the difference between Session.run and Tensor.eval? TensorFlow has two ways to evaluate part of graph, Session.run on a list of variables and Tensor.eval. Is there a difference between these two?
If you have a tensor T, calling T.eval is equivalent to calling tf.get_default_session.run T. You can make a session the default as follows. The most important difference is that you can use ses.run to fetch the values of many tensors in the same step. Note that each call to eval and run will execute the whole graph from scratch. To cache the result of a computation, assign it to a tf. Variable.
The fact session on TensorFlow has an answer to exactly the same question. I will just go ahead and leave it here. If T is a tensor object, T.eval is shorthand for ses.run T, where ses is the current default session. The two following snippets of code are equivalent. In the second example, the session acts as a context manager, which has the effect of installing it as the default session for the lifetime of the with block. The context manager approach can lead to more concise code for simple use cases, like unit tests. If your code deals with multiple graphs and sessions, it may be more straightforward to explicit calls to Session.run. I'd recommend that you at least skim throughout the whole FAQ, as it might clarify a lot of things.
Eval cannot handle the list object. But Session.run can. Correct me if I am wrong.
TensorFlow 2.x compatible answer, converting Re's code to TensorFlow 2.x equals 2.0 for the benefit of the community.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.